Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Windstorm documentation using NFIP resources, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant Windstorm documentation. This includes insurance policies, damage assessments, and any claims filed. Next, familiarize yourself with the National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP. Visit the NFIP website to access valuable resources. Search for the section dedicated to disaster documentation. Download the guidelines provided by NFIP for record keeping. Create a designated folder on your computer for your Windstorm documents. Organize your documents by category, such as policy documents, claims, and assessments. Make sure to scan any physical documents into digital format. Use a reliable scanning app or device for high-quality digital copies. After scanning, save each document using clear and descriptive file names. Next, upload all your digital documents to cloud storage for easy access. Consider using platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox for backup. Implement a naming system to keep files organized in the cloud. After uploading, check that all files are accessible and readable. Regularly review and update your documentation as necessary. Set reminders to check your backup system periodically. In case of a new Windstorm event, know where to find your documentation. Understand how to file claims through NFIP in the event of damage. This process will ensure that your Windstorm documentation is secure and readily available when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.